Yeah, I'm Sylvester Key, Mr. Azimus. Still in the palms, I let the keys never die, you know. Ayo, Indabele, Sakutando, this one is for you, you know.
My love, bengifuna nje wazi ukuthi mina ngenza noma yini for wena. Mntana, my love, bengifuna nje wazi ukuthi mina ngenza noma yini for wena. Ngalale emaweni, ngalale emaweni, ngalale emaweni, ngalale emaweni.
Mtanami, I've been hustling so many times, trying mama ulala udlile. Ngiyakuthanda mntanami, ngikuthanda ngakho konke enginakho. Wena uyigugu kimi. I really love you. I write this song for you, you know. Ufike ndingena next esandleni kodwa wafika wadala imincili novuyo. Mina ngikuthanda Sakuthando. I know it's hella crazy but for wena Sakuthando ndingenza nani na. I won't lie phela wena, you are my oxygen, you are my everything. For wena ngenza nani na.
Lale emaweni, ngalale emaweni, ngalale emaweni, ngalale emaweni.
Mtanami, ngiyazi ngiyakhumbula, nami ngiyakhumbula. Angisakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwakho, mina sengikufuna eduze kwakho. Ngifuna ukubona ukhula each and every day lana phambi kwami, yonke into enikwenzela. Don't worry sithando sami, your daddy loves you. Ithi ndikuxoxela istory ndisakhumbula ngesasikhathi umamakho wayintshela ukuthi umithi zange ndikholelwe nangifuna uzibonela. Ivuyo nemincili engangenayo ngalamini ndandingakholelwa. Kwakungathi insuku nenyanga azihambi, ndangifuna ukuthi ndikubambe ngalezi zami izandla. Ngitshela ukuthi ngiyekuthanda, ngikubuka ukhula phambi kwalezi zami izandla.